What's the meaning of better half? Better half. Better half.
Better half. Better half. The phrase better half is a term of endearment used to refer to a person's spouse or romantic partner. It is often used in a light-hearted or affectionate manner, and suggests that one's partner completes them and makes them whole. The term is believed to have originated from the ancient Greek belief that humans were originally created with 4 arms, 4 legs, and 2 heads, but Zeus split them in half as punishment for their pride. As a result, each person spends their life searching for their other half, or better half. Today, the term is commonly used to express love, gratitude, and affection for one's significant other.